싫어해, 싫어해. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss about the word 싫어하다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 303. 싫어하다, 싫어하다. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is shir, second syllable is o, third syllable is ha, and fourth syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. 싫어하다. The word 싫어하다 is a verb which means to hate. Again, 싫어하다 is a verb which means to hate. And since this is a verb, it can be conjugated. How do you write 싫어하다 in Hangul? It is composed of four syllables. For the first syllable, shir, we need to draw first a siyot character followed by an e character followed by a real character followed by a hi character. For the second syllable, o, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang followed by the o character itself. For the third syllable, ha, we need to draw first a hi character followed by an a character. And for the last syllable, da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. And then, we just need to combine the hangul for each of these four syllables. Now, if you remember at the beginning of this video, our example is actually 싫어해. And our word for today is 싫어하다. If you could recall, 싫어하다 means to hate or to dislike. At the same time, 싫어하다 is a root verb which can be further conjugated to have other meanings. An example of a conjugated 싫어하다 is 싫어해. As you can see, the da part at the ending is removed and it's changed to he. And 싫어해 is actually the present tense form of 싫어하다. So if 싫어하다 means to dislike, 싫어해 means I don't like it or I hate it. Again, 싫어하다 means to dislike or to hate, and 싫어해 means I don't like it or I hate it. Just remember that 싫어하다 is a root verb and 싫어해 is the present tense form of 싫어하다. And with that, you've just learned 싫어하다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 293 to 302. But don't forget our word for today, word number 303, 싫어하다, which means to hate. The first word for our review is 울지마요, which means don't cry. The next word for our review is 맛있어요, which means delicious. Next word is 색, which means color. Next word is 딸기, which means strawberry. Next word is 베프, which means best friend. Next word for our review is moja, which means hat or cap. Next word is 차이다, which means to be dumped or to be kicked. Next word for our review is 취미, which means hobby. Next word is 함께, which means together. And the last word for our review is word number 293, chima, which means skirt. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.